Hey everyone, it's Rita. So I'm participating in a collab and it's hosted by Danielle and her channel name is Pink Zebra the Unicorn Crafter. The name of the collaboration is Galentines, Girls Just Want to Have Fun. So we will be bringing you one Valentine, or I should say we will be bringing you Valentine DIYs, crafting, things of that nature, something to do with Valentine's Day, once a week starting today until February 14th. I will link Danielle's channel below, and there are some other YouTubers participating, and I will link their channels as well. So I hope you enjoy this, and let's get right on to mine. Today I'm just going to make a couple of stuffed pillows, and I'll be using this wooden heart from Dollar Tree as my template, and I'm using this buffalo check scarf in black and white, and I'll also make one in the red and black. I'm just going to trace this on, cut out 2 hearts, and I will hot glue these together, flip it inside out, and stuff it. I'm sure you've seen it done before, but I did want to make 2 to go with another heart pillow that I made last year out of burlap. Now the first one I'm going to hot glue and flip it inside out. The second one I'm just going to hot glue around. I'm not going to flip it. So now I have it cut out. I'm going to make sure I have the side that I drew the heart on facing the inside when I get through with it, because there is a black line from the marker that I don't want to be seen. And now this one I will flip inside out and stuff it. I'll be using some of the scrap material left over from this scarf, as well as some stuffing from a pillow. And here's pillow number 1. Now let's move right along to number 2. And I will be using the black and red buffalo check scarf. I'm going to trim off the fringe on the ends. I thought about putting it around the pillow, but it's really thin looking, so I did not do that. And here I'll be using the same method as before. Just trace the heart out, cut out 2 pieces of material, and this time I'll hot glue it without flipping it inside out. So when I hot glued the opening together, I mashed down, and when I did that, it caused the hot glue to kind of come out at the end and got on the material. So when you're hot gluing this, just kind of pat it down, don't mash it. But I did cut the material off in that area, and I was able to do that, and it turned out okay. You'll see right here I'm squeezing it, and then I've got it everywhere. So just be sure to pat it down instead of squeezing. And here's pillow number 2. And as you can see right there, I did trim that hot glue off. Now I will take these and display them with the burlap pillow that I made last year. And here they are, guys. I think they turned out really cute. Quick, simple DIY to add to your Valentine decor this year. I would like to thank you for watching. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, you know I would love to have you join my family, and it's free. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would like to thank Danielle for hosting this collaboration, and thanks to all the other YouTubers who are participating. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.